Today's video is about the first inquiry lab in Chapter 6. So we're going to be covering solving one-step addition and subtraction equations. So I'm going to first read the inquiry. Here's what we're trying to find. How can bar diagrams or algebra tiles help you solve an equation? In a recent year, 19 of the 50 states had a law banning the use of handheld cell phones while driving a school bus. Determine how many states did not have this law. So that is the problem presented, and we're solving one-step addition and subtraction equations. So if we think about this as a subtraction equation, I know that there are 19 states with this law, and there are 50 states in the United States. So I have to subtract. I have to find the difference between 19 and 50. Step 2 is to write an equation from the bar diagram. We're going to let X represent the states that do not have a cell phone law for school bus drivers. So 19 plus X equals 50. So step 2, we're thinking of this as an addition problem. Step 3 wants us to use the work backwards strategy to solve the equation. So since 19 plus X equals 50, X equals 50 minus 19. So X is 50 subtract 19. 4 minus 1 is 3. So X is 31. So 19 plus 31 is equal to 50. So blank states did not have a law banning the use of cell phones by bus drivers. 31 states did not have the law banning the use of cell phones by bus drivers. Okay, moving on to our investigate, it says work with a partner to solve each problem. You can probably do these on your own. Number 1 says, draw a bar diagram and write an addition equation to represent the following situation. The sum of a number and 4 is equal to 18. So the equation would be the sum of a number, sum means addition, a number, let's let n represent our number, and 4, so it'll be n plus 4 equals 18. So here's my equation. My solution for X, I'm not sure what that is yet. So let's do n and 4, and then the whole thing is equal to 18. So if we subtract 4 from both sides, this becomes 0. 18 minus 4 is 14. So X equals 14. Number 2 says use math tools. So Jack collects postage stamps. He sold 7 of his stamps and had 29 stamps left. Complete the bar diagram below. Then write and solve a subtraction equation to find the number of stamps Jack had at the beginning. So we know that he collects postage stamps, and he sold 7 of his stamps. So sold means minus, get rid of, and had 29 stamps left. So I'm guessing that this is the 7 and this is the 29, because we're completing the bar diagram to find the number of stamps he had at the beginning. So we're trying to find the total. So our equation would be, he had a certain number of stamps, and he subtracted 7, and then he's left with 29. So the solution for that, if I had n minus 7 equals 29, I could add 7 to both sides. This becomes 0. N equals 29 plus 7, which is 36. So at the beginning he had 36 stamps. So Jack had 36 stamps at the beginning. Okay, our last couple problems on this. Suppose Jack sold 15 stamps and had 21 stamps left. So Jack had a certain number of stamps. He took 15 away, and now he's left with 21 stamps. How would the bar diagram change? Okay, so I'm going to go in the bar diagram, instead of being 7 would be 15. So it would be 15 here. And we would move the line over a little bit. And then at the beginning he had 36 still. So suppose Jack had 40 stamps at the beginning and sold 7 of them. How would the bar diagram change? Well, it'd be like this. Instead of 36, it would be 40 here. And if he sold 7 at the beginning, then we would have to take 40 minus 7 to get 33. What equation could you write to represent the situation? You could write 40 minus 7 equals 33. Okay, those are the answers for this inquiry lab.